Bearing the proud name Victory, this magnificent vessel represents the pinnacle of naval power and engineering ingenuity of its era. But its true complexity lies beneath the surface. Peer inside. But what truly gave her strength were the foundations beneath her waterline, starting with the colossal keel.
These vital components formed the skeletal backbone, an intricate lattice of strength designed to withstand the immense forces of the open ocean. Layer upon layer of thick oak planking, meticulously fitted and fastened.
Below the waterline, thousands of Activate the X-ray view, we reveal the internal structure. This cutaway view reveals the massive intold. We are now tracking along the lower gun deck.
Beyond the vital powder magazine, the lower gun deck reveals its true power. An array of The blueprint aesthetics reveal the precise and robust engineering behind the lower gun deck. Beyond their combat role, these decks also served as cramped living quarters, where hammocks were stowed between the guns. An X-ray view of the 24-pounder cannon reveals the robust internal mechanics, designed for reliability. As we orbit this vital deck, it becomes clear how every inch was optimized.
This cutaway view reveals the middle gun deck. Notice the 24-pounder cannons positioned near the gun ports.
From this overhead vantage, the ingenious vertical integration of the Victory becomes evident, including
The armament here often included the innovative carronade,
a shorter, wider-bore cannon designed for devastation. This uppermost deck, with its lighter armament and open design, was crucial for close-quarters combat and provided.
The ship's robust structure is evident here at the forecastle. This detailed view highlights the primary
The capstan, a powerful mechanical advantage, was vital for raising the heavy anchors. While the forecastle handled the anchors, the quarterdeck served as the nerve center for navigation and commands. Central to the quarterdeck was the steering wheel, connected by a complex system of ropes and pulleys to the tiller below. These colossal masts were not single pieces of timber, but intricate. The mast itself was composed of several sections, the lower mast followed by the top mast, and so each sail featured carefully stitched seams and reinforced edges, designed to withstand the tremendous force. Equally vital is the rigging, the vast network of ropes, both standing and running, that supports the mast. Every sail had a specific purpose, designed to work in harmony. Each adjustment required immense leverage, achieved through ingenious systems like the block and tackle. Beyond managing sails, the very direction of this understanding the interplay of these components, from the steering wheel to the tiller, and the rudder stock connecting directly to the rudder itself. This detailed cutaway reveals the inner workings of the vessel. We are now looking at the galley, which served. Here we see the galley, centered around the large brick hearth and the essential coppers used for cooking. As we track along the lower decks, moving past the galley, the cutaway view reveals the intricate bilge pumping system. As we move through the lower decks, the cutaway view reveals the intricate internal structure. This highlighted area
The HMS Victory, an engineering marvel of the 18th century. With over 250 years of history, the HMS Victory remains a true engineering marvel.